from anyhousecleaning.com, and this is a new file. Looks like a eviction home. The owner hired me. She needs to travel from Pennsylvania. I don't know if she threw out the tenant, but the tenant destroyed the house as always. A lot of pet hair. She asked me to wash the walls. This is a deep cleaning, toilets, bathroom, dusting, everything, because they want to paint the whole house and rent it again. If you can see, they are gonna remove the carpet and put some tile or another carpet on. I don't know. A lot of pet hair. I was trying to clean it by hand, these windows and the blinds, but it's impossible to clean it like that. So I have to take my time to remove each slide. Do it really carefully because I don't want to break anything. A lot of pet hair. So if you notice, there's a lot of pet hair. So I have to remove all the blinds, and I'm gonna wash it by hand. I have been removing everything here, and check it out. So with a clean cloth or microfiber cloth, I cannot do nothing. I was thinking to vacuum, but I'm gonna do it by hand. First of all, I have to remove all the blinds. So it's gonna take us more time, but this is what it needs to be done. This is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning, and I'm gonna use the vapor steamer that is right there to sanitize and steam all the walls. Thank you for watching Fiorella from Any House Cleaning. I'm gonna make another video how we came, okay? Bye, thank you.
On the wild side, coming up an all-time high. I don't wanna fall in line anymore. Devoted to a revelry, medicated fantasies. I don't wanna fall in line anymore.
Welcome to Ultra 2017.